The Milky Way's spiral structure emerges from the combined effects of torque, induction, and equilibrium. Spiral torque. The black hole's radiated gravitational field generates torque, twisting the distribution of mass energy into a spiral form. Stars and solar systems align with these threads, orbiting within them as stable equilibrium zones. Field gradients and orbital patterns. Field gradients weaken with distance from the galactic center, causing orbital velocities to decrease. This differential torque explains why inner stars rotate faster than outer ones, yet all remain bound by the galaxy's overarching gravitational field. 6. Extending the model to cosmic dynamics. By extrapolating the Milky Way's dynamics to the universe. Universal gravitational equilibrium. Galaxies interact as radiated gravitational fields, balancing each other in relative equilibrium across cosmic distances. Larger galaxies orbit farther from dense galactic clusters, maintaining M1, D2, égale M2, D1, at a universal scale. Cosmic filaments as induction currents. Filaments of dark matter and energy between galaxies act as the induction coils of the universe, directing energy and matter flows. The Milky Way resides along one such filament, its dynamics shaped by larger cosmic currents. Conclusion. By applying relative gravity and its principle of relative equilibrium, we can see the Milky Way as a dynamic system driven by the mechanics of its black hole, the torque of its spiral arms, and the equilibrium zones of its orbiting stars and systems. Each heavenly body contributes to a balance of radiated gravitational potentials, creating the galaxy's iconic structure and motion. At the universal scale, the Milky Way participates in a grander equilibrium of galaxies, filaments, and cosmic induction currents, all linked by the shared principles of radiated gravitational energy and equilibrium.
The cosmic web, a dance of galaxies across time and space. In the vast silence of the cosmos, an intricate web stretches across the universe, a grand design woven from galaxies, filaments, and clusters, all held together by the invisible hand of gravity. This is no chaotic scattering of celestial bodies, but a delicate balance. A cosmic architecture where galaxies are not aimless wanderers but participants in an ancient and ongoing dance. At the heart of this structure lie multiple galaxy clusters, vast assemblies of matter drawn together over billions of years. These clusters do not exist in isolation. They are connected by immense, thread-like filaments, bridges of gas, dark matter, and starlight that stretch across the void, binding them in a vast cosmic web. Between these filaments lie the great voids, regions where few galaxies reside. Silent expanses that accentuate the scale and contrast of the universe. It was not always this way. In the beginning, matter gathered in small pockets of high density, swirling in the primordial darkness. Gravity worked tirelessly, pulling this matter into ever denser knots, forging the first galaxies and guiding them toward their present forms. Over the eons, these galaxies fell into a delicate equilibrium, clustering together like great cosmic cities. Yet even as they converged, they remained tethered to one another by unseen forces, forming the grand filaments that stretch between them. The cosmic web is not a frozen tableau. It breathes and shifts with the passage of time. Galaxies collide, spiral arms entwining in slow-motion dances that take millions of years to unfold. Stars are born in radiant bursts of light, only to fade and collapse into darkness, feeding the cycle anew. Meanwhile, unseen gravitational waves ripple through space, whispering of unseen movements in the dark. Dark matter, the enigmatic force that shapes the universe, exerts its silent influence, guiding the great structures into alignment. To peer into this vast network is to glimpse a symphony in motion, a harmony that has been playing for billions of years. Each galaxy is a note, each filament a bridge between movements, each cluster a crescendo in an eternal cosmic overture. And somewhere, within this vastness, a single planet orbits an ordinary star, its inhabitants gazing into the heavens, wondering at their place in it all. The universe is not just a space of stars and voids, it is a story written in light, gravity, and time itself. And as we map its great structures, we begin to understand the music of the cosmos. A song that has played since the dawn of existence and will continue long after we are gone. Ochet.